don't you know? Mix them up and watch them grow. Red is gold like apple sweet. Yellow shines like the golden wheat. Blue's the color of the sky so high. Primary colors, give them a try. What are the primary colors? Are red, yellow, and blue. The colors that make every hue. Mix them up and you will see new colors made magically. Red is for fire so hot and bright. A racing car speeding through the night. Strawberries juicy, cherries too. Red is strong and full of hue. Yellow is happy, shining like the sun. Bananas, lemons, oh what fun. Bright and cheery, warm and light. Yellow makes the world so bright. Blue is calm like oceans wide. A cloudless sky so deep inside. Blue is cool, so fresh and free. Like raindrops falling over me. Mixing fun, what happens next? Mix it up. Primary colors make new stuff. Red and yellow, what do you see? Orange appears magically. Yellow and blue, smooth and tight. Green is here, fresh and bright. Red and blue, mix them true. Purple pops just for you. Now we know the color tricks. Sing along and let's remix. Colors everywhere, where can you see them? The red on roses on a stop sign too. It tells you wait, be careful you. Santa's coat and heart so bold. Red's a color bright and gold. Yellow's on bees buzzing so fast. Corn on the cob, a sunny blast. School buses rolling down the street. Yellow's warm and oh so sweet. Blues and whales and fish that splash. The sky so high where airplanes dash. Jeans we wear and birds in flight. Blue is calm, blue is bright. Let's create! Get your brushes, dip them in. Let the coloring fun begin. Mix and match, make something new. With primary color, dreams come true. It's pretty rainbow, paint the sea. Color shine for you and me. Art is magic, let's explore. Mixing colors forevermore. Red, yellow, and blue. Primary colors just for you. Mix them up, what do we get? A world of colors, won't forget. Art is magic, left explore. Mixing hues left and right. Primary colors, three so true. A rainbow world just for you. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Let's sing like artists to the beat. Let's free like feet. Let's paint like artists to the beat. Mix them up, what do we get? A world of colors we won't forget. Shades and hues, left and right. Primary colors, three so true. A rainbow world just for you. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Let's paint like artists to the beat. Folks them all everywhere, all watch just to the beat. Mix them up, what do we get? A world of colors we won't forget. Art is magic, left explore. Mixing.
Wow, that was so much fun. You did an amazing job singing, learning, and having fun with us today. But guess what? The fun doesn't stop here. There are so many more exciting videos waiting just for you. Want to sing more songs? Or maybe you'd like to learn something new and exciting today? You can choose your next adventure by picking any video from the playlist. Or just sit back and let the next one play. And don't forget, every video is made just for you to help you learn, laugh, and explore.